Meanwhile, Republic Day celebration was celebrated in several district headquarters of Meghalaya today. At Nongstoin, Garod LNS Dykes, Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District unfurled the tricolour and took the Rashtriya salute of 13 parade contingents, including the District Police, NCC and 9 schools of Nongstoin town. The Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy, Arpit Upadhyay, graced the celebration as the chief guest at Nongpo. The Republic Day was celebrated at Jawai and Tura. The day was celebrated at Meghalaya High Court also, where Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee unfurled the national flag.
Republik Singapore bakum kinong song snong ginit lilang banlak kemen namar jong kinong grim ibala penlong yik India kabakrau Singapore ban kan mau yik jing IT lade jong kinong yek lai lu jong ni ban poskem ila ke jing rai kot ban tei yik ri kabaklain kabakyu sakrang ban ri kedop lot yabaro.
It was on this day in 1950 that India was established as the largest democratic republic. Our constitution is a testament to the values of democracy, justice, liberty and equality that have guided our nation since its inception.